Hey everybody, Mark from the Geek Church here, and today we're reviewing another product from STM Goods. This one is the Magpod Smarter Phone Stand. We're going to be opening this up, trying it out, right after this. Okay, generally when I'm reviewing a product here, I usually start by just looking at it and going like, okay, what do I think this can do? Well, it's pretty obvious. It can hold a phone here, but I'm trying to think like, you know, first I thought like, is this a battery or something like that? Because that would be very handy. I'm not sure if it is, so we're just gonna take a look at it here. Now, this is it right here, this particular thing right here. This thing is clearly designed to hold a phone with one of those Qi-enabled magnetic charging thing, or maybe MagSafe, whatever. As you can see, I'm doing a little bit of thing around here, this adjustment. Now, how do I open up these things? This is sort of becomes like a tripod here. And, oh, hey, look at that. Oh, hey, I didn't realize I could do that. Yeah, did you see that? Here, check it out. Okay, see it's at an angle. Now, it's straight. That's pretty cool. Okay, so how do I open this up? Okay, it opens up pretty easily. And now it can be a stand on the desk. So if I want to, say, watch a movie or something like that, or maybe make a video, like, say, this video, I could be, hey, this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, and this time I've got a product for you. Yeah, not bad. So, I'm not really sure what I can say about this other than that. I'm not really seeing anything like, I was hoping that this could be like used as a battery or something like that. This really feels like this should be, maybe hold a charge in it. That way you can wirelessly charge your phone as you're doing stuff, but this doesn't seem to have that. So, yeah. I'd say it's a missed opportunity, but I mean, hey, honestly, you're probably going to be carrying around your phone anyway while you're doing your stuff. And hey, I've got my laptop right here, so if, say, I was watching a video while I work, which I do a lot, I could probably just keep this up here and then adjust it properly. And then I could just put in my charger, plug it in my laptop. There you go. Let's see what else it's got here. So this apparently is designed for MagSafe's iPhones, but hey, I mean, this is an Android phone, and it seems to work just fine for that, so hey. So, plus it fits very easily in your pocket. I mean, hey, what more can you ask for that? Yeah, and it's stylish, and oh yeah, it's also good for selfies and stuff like that. So, yeah, that's pretty much what you got there. I want to see how easily it retracts and folds up here. Let's see. Okay, we're done. Okay, that's pretty good. Seems to just work by just prying it open at the bottom. I was kind of hoping there'd be a slit thing or something like that, so it would just kind of come out like an umbrella. Nothing too complicated, but this thing doesn't have to be. So basically, yeah. So yeah, that's kind of what we got here. Oh, hey, can we put it like this? I don't see why we would put it like that. All right, I guess we better get to the price. I'm seeing it as a value of about $49.95. Now, I don't see a markdown here. In fact, I'm actually seeing that this is sold out. So, hopefully you can get a hold of it, because this will make a superior, great stocking stuffer. Granted, the packaging is a little wide, but hey, what can I say? Well, the one thing I can say is that this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, and I'm signing off.